is compassion part and parcel of human existence? My answer would be much more. It's part and parcel of human existence. Something greater than compassion has become part of human race. Nature, in her generosity, has gifted human beings with a greater element than compassion, what I like to call it as love. Some human beings are able to display this aspect of love more than anyone, and there are a few minorities, perhaps, they are not able to relate with love and share love, or share things with love, or share life with love. And ultimately, when we talk of godliness, and when we define God as love, and we have the ability to master this aspect of our existence, then we say, what is compassion? Compassion is nothing but a immediate step to sympathy. When you observe and someone is in pain, you sympathize. Compassion is something a bit higher aspect of sympathizing. Sympathizing need not be merely words, it has to come into action. Someone is hungry. You're affected by the pain of hunger in someone. When we fulfill that person's hunger, only then we can say, I am being compassionate. Going beyond it, love has its own spectrum. Fundamentally, we are all endowed with love. Unfortunately, we do not even settle down at sympathetic level. Forget empathy, forget compassion, etc. So, despite of having such a beautiful gift from nature, we starve ourselves because it is in the state of love that we individually can flourish, individually can evolve. And when we spread this aspect of love with one another, that's a next level of evolution where unrestrained love and care is shared with other humans, and not only just humans, but rest of this universe.